Okay. Because I know that none of you have enough stuff to do towards the end of the semester. I know you're all very bored. I'm going to give you an optional thing that you can do for a couple of points. Bailey, this was the thing for you.
I know. I listened to you in the office. Okay, I'll listen again.
So now you can't listen to it now.
So I would like to give you an optional practice final writing assignment, right? So this is not a paper.
Levi, you have to
No.
do this and give it to me.
So what I would like you to do is make a practice final. So
What?
make a final exam.
This is a trick.
It's exactly a trick. I intend to copy some of the questions if they're good.
You're just being one.
Just saying.
He's trying to make his job easier.
Exactly. I'm trying to get out of some work myself. So it should be 10 questions.
Is that how long the final's going to be?
Yeah, that's how long your final's going to be. It should be cumulative.
Wait, I think that's how long I have to test something.
Oh wait, no, it shouldn't be 10 questions. Sorry, it's
Five.
final. It should be 15 questions.
Actually, yeah, 15.
Yeah, you
That gives
would
me
rather
some
have
more-
more questions
that
than
gives me
less
some more-
Do
questions.
we want some of them to have like a B, C type?
Yeah, hang on. So, should be cumulative?
Yeah, that's kind
Yes?
of. I'm pretty sure it's like no, it's about. Whatever. It's not as English. Not. Just keep going forward. Yeah, I shouldn't have said anything.
No, it's all good. I misspell words all the time.
It's
I
okay.
realized earlier this semester that I've been spelling pseudocode wrong every single day in my computer science class,
Wow.
and I'm not going to change it.
That's
So.
okay. Yeah.
Okay, so 15 questions, should be cumulative, which means, right, that there should be basically a question or two from each chapter.
How many chapters
I
are
have
there?
like one there, and then
Well,
Well,
that would kind of imply that they're between 7.5 and 15, maybe 30, right? Like if there's one or two questions from each, yeah. Anyway, there's some question.
Okay.
So one or two from each chapter.
What?
You can hear you're talking on the camera.
Hi, camera. It's me, Bailey. I'm failing this class, so I just have given up.
You're not failing. Stop
I'm not.
whining. Okay, so cumulative should also, what? Have questions of basically appropriate difficulty. So I'd say that's something like 2 A questions, like maybe 3 or 4 B questions.
Is A easy or hard? How are we doing this skill?
Like A students should get these questions right, other students will get them wrong.
Or is that like C level?
So A questions are hard, 3 or 4 B questions. Let's see, so far that's like 6 maybe, so I have 9 more questions. So I do like 7 C questions and like 2 D questions.
So those are progressively easier questions.
Yep, so a couple hard questions, some like medium hard questions, mostly medium questions, and then a couple easy questions.
Cool.
Right?
So if we do this, is this like bonus points towards our?
Yeah, so what I'm going to give you is a free quiz grade out of this,
Okay.
right? So,
Quizzes we didn't, like we were absent for, we get zeros on them.
yes, quizzes you were absent for, you get 0 on them, unless I drop
Can
them.
this count for like
So you're,
3 quizzes?
out of the total of your quizzes, you get several dropped. Sure.
Sweet.
3,
5.
Yeah. No.
5?
Let's call this 3 free quiz grades.
Wow.
That's actually nice.
Okay?
That's
So you
good.
get 5 points on 3 quizzes.
That's 15 points. Nice.
Cool?
15
I think
questions,
it's
15
good.
points.
15
I like that.
Good with us?
Point per question.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah, it's-
Consider doing this. You may do this in pairs, no more. Okay?
Zach.
Hey, Sharon.
Let's do it.
Since I'm giving you so many points for it, I'm making it pairs. If I was going to make it 5, like if I was going to make it 1 quiz grade, you could work in groups of 4 or something. But
And
Sorry.
we each get this
And-
amount of points.
yes, and each of you will get the 3 free quiz grades if you work in a pair and it looks good.
We do by ourselves.
What's that?
We get 6 quizzes.
Yeah, you can do it by yourself. if you want. So
No.
on formatting, I would like you to either write down where in the book the question came from, right? So like, question 2 plus 2, right?
Then a D, 22.
Yeah, 2 plus 2 is an F minus question.
It's 22.
It is 22, yeah. So, I would like you to either note where you got this, like this was from chapter -2, comma, section 1. Right?
Yes.
And then,
Referencing how dumb it is.
no. I mean, I trust that you all can add 2 plus 2.
How low on the ladder it is. That's really dumb.
It's just previous to pre-calculus a ways, right?
I know.
So, write your questions, break, then on a separate sheet, maybe answers, if you feel like supplying answers.
Okay.
Do you want them or no?
I don't care.
Can we get
But
a-
if you supply the answers, put them on a separate sheet. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
If you write down where it came from, it helps if you pick odd problems so that people can check.
Yeah.
But that also saves you the trouble of having to make sure that your answers are correct. If you do supply answers, please get them checked by either Casey or me. Okay?
When's this due by?
I want it by the beginning of the week before tests, so that I can copy so that I can scan them and give them to you. So that would be the 6th. I'll take them till the 18th of April.
Usually about a week.
What?
Wait, classes go that long?
No, I said, never mind.
Yeah, it gives you about a week to work on them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I meant.
Questions, concerns, deals?
Wow, it actually doesn't.
Okay.
It's one of those long videos.
Videos are due on the 16th of April.